y'all don't really want it like that. Yeah. Here comes the, here comes the, here comes the, y'all don't really want it like that. Yeah. Here comes the,
When two opposing football players run full speed into each other, which one wins? Well, in physics, we learned that momentum equals velocity times mass, and whoever has the greatest momentum usually wins. Of course, football hits have a couple other factors such as position of contact and angles, but we are using just their velocity and mass to teach you about momentum. Let's look at some examples. First, we have Tavarius Jackson, who plays on the Minnesota Vikings. He's running about 3 meters per second and has a mass of 100 kilograms. Then we have Chris Clemens, who has a mass of 115 kilograms and is running about 10 meters per second. Because we're on Earth, we know that gravity's force is 9.8 meters per second. Clemens generates 1,150 newtons of force, while Jackson only creates 300 newtons of force. The winner without a doubt is Clemens.
Physics plays a large part in throwing a football. When the football travels through the air, it follows a curved or parabolic path because the movement of the football in the vertical direction is influenced by the force of gravity. As the ball travels up, gravity slows it down until the velocity of the ball reaches zero at its peak. The ball then follows a downward trajectory as gravity accelerates it until it hits the ground. This is the path of any object that is launched or thrown. This is called projectile motion. There are 3 variables that will affect the motion of the ball. These include the velocity at which the ball leaves the hand, the angle at which the ball is thrown, and the rotation of the football. The rotation of the ball, either spiral or end over end, will influence how the ball slows down in flight as a result of air resistance. A spiral throw will have less air drag and therefore will not slow down as much. This means the ball will be able to stay in the air longer and go farther than an end over end throw. If the ball is thrown at a high angle, the ball will go high and have a long hang time but will not go very far. But if the ball is thrown at a low angle, it will not go very high, have a short hang time but will go farther. Therefore, the quarterback must find the right angle to maximize height, hang time, and distance. That angle is 45 degrees.
Yeah, this is Noel from Cunning Linguist. I want y'all to bounce with me real quick. Shouty, yeah.
Thanks, Mr. Gatfield, for teaching me physics so I could relate them to situations on the field. So now if a guy's running at me faster and he's bigger, I know to get out the way.
747 during turbulence, impervious murder.